Hi everyone. In this video, I will teach you how to create an amazing New Year design in Adobe Illustrator. The artboard size is 1080 by 1350. I have these colors, which I will be using in this design. Go to the rectangle tool and draw a rectangle the size of the artboard. Apply a gradient to it. Select the first point from the gradient panel, and use the eyedropper tool to apply the color. Repeat the same process with the other point. Go to the Object menu, then Lock and Selection. Next, go to the File menu and choose Place. Select the image, and click the Place button. Adjust the size and position of the image. Go to Image Trace Options and choose Silhouettes. Open the Image Trace panel and reduce the threshold to 100. Then click on the Expand button. Right-click on it and choose Ungroup. Adjust the size and position. Select the pencil tool and follow the settings. And draw a rough line to redraw the mountain shape. Follow the process. Repeat the process with the second part. Select the Eraser tool, hold the Alt button, and erase the extra part. Repeat the process with the second part. Again, go to the pencil tool and draw a mountain shape at the bottom. Erase this part using the same process. Select the Type tool and type 2025. Apply the Montserrat bold font to it. Place the text here. Hold the Alt button and drag to duplicate it. Then change the number 5 to 6. Select the first text, right-click on it, and choose Create Outlines. Double-click on it to open Isolated Mode. And slightly rotate the number 5. Go to the pencil tool and draw some rock-like shapes. Follow the same process. Then go to the ellipse tool and draw a circle. Apply a gradient to it. Follow my gradient settings. Go to the transparency panel and change its mode to overlay. Then go to the effects menu, choose blur, and apply Gaussian blur. Again, go to the file menu and choose place. Select the image and click place. Go to the image trace menu and choose silhouettes. Then click on the expand button. Adjust these bird into the design. Now place a cloud PNG into the layout. Change its blend mode to overlay and set the opacity to 50%. It's time to add other text to the design. Follow my other text settings. Finally, place the logo into the layout. Select the rectangle tool and draw it. Then change its fill to outline. Place the texture image into the design. Change its blend mode to multiply and set the opacity to 30%. Go to the artboard tool, hold the Alt button, and make a copy of it. You can easily edit the colors using the Recolor button. And that's it. Share your thoughts on this. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. Make sure you head over to my YouTube channel, where I upload graphic-related tutorials. Thank you for watching.